During this course, we need a text editor to view and edit the HTML files. There are numerous text editing software available for editing HTML files. In this course, we will use the text editor called Brackets. If you are a beginner, then I would recommend to install Brackets, which makes it easier to follow the instructions that I'm going to give when I use Brackets during this course. If you are already a developer and if you have any preference to use a specific text editor, then you can use your preferred text editor. Make sure your text editor supports HTML editing. If you're going to use a text editor other than Brackets, then you can skip this video and move on to the next video. Now I will provide necessary instructions to install Brackets. Open browser and search with these three keywords: GitHub Brackets release. The search result should provide the link to https://github.com/adobe/brackets/releases. Click on this link. Under the section Release 1.14.2, there will be two links available. One link ending with DMG and the other ending with MSI. Mac users have to download DMG file. For installing Brackets in Mac, open the downloaded DMG file, which will open a dialog box. In that dialog box, drag the Brackets icon to the application folder, which will complete the installation. Windows users have to download MSI file. After download, open the MSI file and follow the instructions to complete the installation. Based on the instructions provided, complete this installation of Brackets software and then move on into the next video.